We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make turkey meatballs. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 pound of ground turkey, 1/4 cup of finely diced onion, 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh herbs, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 large egg, and 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, dash of pepper, and some mix-ins of choice: pesto, cheese, minced garlic, spices, sun-dried tomatoes, or even citrus zest. We're going to mix that all together just until it's combined, but don't overmix it. Okay, looking good. Now it's time to brush a baking sheet with oil so those meatballs don't stick to the pan. And then we're going to portion our meatballs evenly using our hands or this portion scoop. We love the portion scoop because it's a lot faster and makes really even meatballs. So we're going to put those on the prepared pan, making sure there's a little space between, but they don't grow or move around like cookies do as much, so just a little space is good. Perfect. Now we'll cook them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 14 minutes. A thermometer is great to use to make sure they're done. And remember, check out our recipe in the link below, and always cook confidently, simplify nutrition, and feel better to your taste.